Hello guys, this is Juan Felipe and welcome back to another video. This is the Epomaker TH80. It's my first mechanical keyboard ever, so I decided to make a full review about it and tell you guys about my experience so far. So here we go. If you enjoyed the video and want to support, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as that's something small creators like me really appreciate. This right here is the pre-built version with the Gateron Pro brown switches that will give you that THOCK sound we all really like these days. That was one of the main reasons for me to get this keyboard, that and the price tag, which by the time of recording this video is less than $100. And trust me, in the keyboard world, as far as I know, that's a budget number. And that's a great number, since this guy right here comes with a bunch of great features that I will try to cover next. Out of the box, you will have some paperwork that obviously we won't read, the keycap remover tool, some extra switches and keycaps, and the USB Type-C cable to charge it. As for my first impressions, the keyboard is made of a hard plastic, but it's way heavier than I expected. It does not feel like cheap or budget keyboard. The build quality is great. The case profile, as you can see here, looks pretty minimal and sleek. And the keycaps looks like a Cherry or maybe SA, not pretty sure, but the whole typing experience is fantastic. No need for a wrist rest in my case, since I have pretty big hands and I can reach almost the whole keyboard without any problem. But it's definitely something to consider. It is a 75% keyboard, 80 because we have 80 keys. We also have here a knob in the upper right corner to control volume and mute. It is removable, so you can change it for whatever you feel like. As I mentioned before, this is the version with the Gateron Pro brown switches, which are an upgrade version of the conventional Gateron switches. As far as I know, they come pre-looped from fabric, which allows them to sound really great. The keyboard is hot swap with 3 and 5 pin switches. The included ones are 3 pins, but if you want to change it for 5, you can do it. There is some dampening materials inside the case, and we also have some dampening tape in the space bar, as you can see here, which allows to improve the sound of the keyboard, which I will show you guys later. For the design and style of the keyboard, I can tell I'm pretty happy with it. I would rather have more color options for the body itself, but this is a nice bone white, and for the keycaps there's only the option of this off-white with some light gray and yellow accents. There is no legends for the secondary options, but if you go back to the manual that you threw away, you will realize the secondary options you have with the function key. By doing this and reading the manual, you will realize that you can connect it up to 3 devices using the Bluetooth, and even realize that in the back of the keyboard there is a USB-A dongle that can help you to connect it to the PC, the Mac, or wherever you need. If you are into it, you will be glad to know that the keyboard has RGB, that you can change it with the functional keys, and has different modes. It is south facing, so you won't have any problems with the Cherry profile keycaps. I know that you guys have been waiting for this, so the sound test. There's nothing more that I can say about this keyboard beside that it's awesome and the value you will get for the money it's pretty high. Can't go wrong with this keyboard and it's a great option for entry-level people on the mechanical keyboard world like me. Nothing more to say guys, thanks for watching, see you on the next opportunity.